Oh, there it is. Oh man, the Radio Shack didn't activate.
Tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in North Central and Northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting all counties in North Central and Northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far Northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities. For today, mostly sunny until late afternoon, then becoming partly cloudy. In the lower 60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 30s. West winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming south after midnight. For Thursday, mostly sunny.
R.I.P. Radio Shack 12262.
South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Everything else I could go. That thing over there, that Sanjin CL100, that thing is loud. Had it on high. But otherwise, I guess I didn't even try to get the alert off this one because whenever I turn it to
with a 20% chance of showers.
that's what it does. It'll ring.
50.
There.
For Saturday, partly
For
cloudy
some
in the
reason, it
morning,
thinks it's
then
receiving an
clearing.
alert.
Highs in the lower 70s.
But anyway,
For Saturday night, mostly clear.
I guess I could kind of say that was a success.